Okay, so we've just been listening to Abhishek Chhabra from Bellwright International Consultants on cladding. So the thing that I thought was most interesting about that was how he laid out the end-to-end process from initial risk analysis, testing, certification to make sure the products that turned up were the products that have been tested, and then the on-site construction monitoring. How did you find his presentation?
Yeah, this presentation was very good, to follow different procedure, different steps. So it's very important during design stage that it's full assessment has been done, and it might be a bit hard to get a fully tested system or something, but some sort of engineering judgment also needs to be made. Normally we find that cladding a bit hard. No one is going to taking a responsibility for that. So based on a full-scale testing, also it is quite good to go. And main thing is I liked about is at the final stage during construction is everything being correctly delivered or not, and installation is carried out properly or not. So that's also a main key process, because after going through a long procedure of design and all those things, if things are not built properly, then it's a waste of effort. So overall, I think the presentation was very good from for engineering perspective to understand what are the different aspects we need to consider for complying with claddings and all those things. So yeah, and it was good to know what are the procedures to follow, which we follow, but he laid it out properly. Yeah.